Hi.
You don't talk to a woman like that. You don't tell people how to dress. Look how you're dressed. We'll see who's going to jail here, friend. You need to go back in your cat piss house.
Hey guys, so this is a Beth Chapman of Dog the Bounty Hunter makeup and hair tutorial inspiration video. When I was young, the first person I saw whose look I really connected with was Beth. We used to watch Dog the Bounty Hunter every week, and I always connected with Beth's look because she had this big blonde hair, lots of makeup, these nails, clothes she was wearing were always phenomenal. I just really enjoyed her presence, and she's a total fucking badass, and she takes no prisoners. So I wanted to honor her in this video. I know she's been going through a hard time right now, but I can't talk about that because I really empathize with people, so I will start crying. I already have. But I just wanted to, show my love for her. I really enjoy her. If you guys know that I like doing these type of videos with unexpected inspirations. So thank you, Beth, for being you. If you ever see this, and you're in my heart. Love you. I forgot to mention as well, these jewels are inspired by this photo. The eyeliner is inspired by this photo. Love this look. Totally gorgeous. The top is inspired by this photo. And the hair is inspired by this photo. Okay, let's get into it now. So as per usual, starting with Louise Base on the eye, I just wanted to cancel out any redness and remove the look of veins, anything like that. And despite them instructing you not to with the Louise Base, I'm actually going to set this. I don't want it to have a white underlay. I want it to be my skin, and I'm not using a lot of pigment on the eye with this. So I'm using a Colourpop Loose Dust and a Makeup Revolution Crush Pearl Pigment, and I will go ahead and leave the names for those down below. Beth had like a shimmery pink all over the lid with this blue glitter liner, so that's what I wanted to emulate. Then I went right into the blue glitter liner. This is 2 glitters mixed, one from Lena Lashes and one from Nyx. I did put the names down below, so definitely check those out. I just did it in a little wing. I didn't do anything severe. This was just, a little bit of glitter on the eye, not as much as I would normally do. Then I'm going to head into the concealer. This is just the Catrice concealer. And then I use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation in the center of my face and blended it out. It doesn't look like Beth wears a lot of makeup, like face makeup, I should say. It doesn't look like she wears a lot of foundation, powders, because she's usually pretty glowy. Then I'm just going to set with some MAC Studio Fix powder plus foundation. Have to set a bit just to stop creasing. Chucking some black eyeliner under the eye and then smudging it out so it's not too severe, and then I'll go ahead and I'll put that in my waterline at a later time frame. Now this is a technique I used to do for some of my older clients who didn't want a very heavy-handed blush. I would take the tiniest little blush and on a fan brush, and then I would just kind of dust it over the cheeks. It was very natural, and it looks like a natural flush, and I'm just doing the same with the Danessa Myricks Enlight powder in light because, like I said, Beth was always glowy. While I'm waiting for my mascara to dry to put on lashes, I'm just going to put those little rhinestones above the eyebrow. Then I move into lining my lips with the BH Cosmetics lip liner in Stripped. Then I put some gloss over top, a nice pink color. Now I'm applying those lashes. I believe these are Ardell Double Up Wispies or something. And then you're just going to set your face, put on your favorite blonde straight hair, or big and curly, either one. And there you go, the final look. Thanks, guys.